Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a Vlogtober. Bake with me. I'm going to be baking some sweet potato cupcakes. These are a hit for my fiance. I love them. They're really, really good. So the one thing I'm going to say is get your pen and paper out. Oh, and by the way, before you do that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. And I'm glad that you're here. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back and join me. But now it's time to go get that pen and paper. So without further ado, here it is. So you're going to need 6 tablespoons of butter. You can either choose to melt it all the way, or you can choose to melt it on like 30 seconds. That way it's halfway melted, or like melted to the point where you can cream it. You're also going to want to add in 3/4 cup of sugar into that bowl. You're going to want to cream these two together for about 3 minutes. So of course you need another bowl because we're going to be mixing in the dry ingredients. So you need 1 1/4 cup of flour. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You'll need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you'll need a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Alright, so what you want to do is just like mix those dry ingredients together, and that'll help it better to mix together instead of everything being clumped up all in one spot. So that's what you get. Next, you want to add in your egg. So this is the part where you're going to start adding in your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. So you'll also need sweet potatoes. A nice big can is good. Use like 3/4 of it. What you're going to do is just want to mash them up really, really good. You can use a spoon, you can use a fork. So after you've added in your egg to the dry ingredients, pour in that wet ingredients, which is the butter and the sugar mixture that you cream together for about that 3 minutes. And then you're going to want to stir it all together. So like I said, just mix it all together. It's going to start to create that dough that you need for the cupcakes. And it's not hard to where you can do this by hand, or you can use this all in a mixer. I prefer to do it by hand because I had time. So what you want to do is add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Alright, next thing you want to do is add in 1/3 cup of milk, and then you're going to want to mix it all up again. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up really, really good. And at this point, your mix is going to smell like straight up sweet potatoes and cinnamon. It smells so good. This honestly looks just like how a honey bun cake what is going to turn out. Matter of fact, don't even get me started because that's going to be the next bake with me coming up soon. Anyways, so you're going to take your mashed sweet potatoes, add it into the mix. You can add it in little by little, or you can just add it all in at one time and then mix. Totally up to you. So I like to add it all in at one time. What I want to do is put these cute little pumpkin patch cupcake liners that I found from Big Lots for $2 into the pan liners. It also came with the cute little sprinkles, and it also came with the cute little pumpkin patch decorations to go inside a cupcake. They are plastic and reusable, so that's a really great thing too. You could easily wash them off on the tips that you put into a cupcake and reuse at any point in time. So anyways, this came with 12 cupcake liners. I thought, oh, what better way to do a fall cupcake bake with me than to use some fall colors and the fall pumpkin patch cupcake liners. So back at the sweet potatoes, what you want to do is mix it all up. Alright y'all, let's make some brown sugar cream cheese frosting. First of all, you're going to need 1 block of cream cheese. You're going to need 3 sticks of butter. Alright, so you can melt your butter all the way, or you can melt it to the point where it's good enough to cream together with the cream cheese. So as I said in the beginning, you want to make sure that you're creaming together your butter and your cream cheese. It can be melted. It doesn't have to be. Totally up to you. If you know how to get it to the consistency that you want, you do it. So after adding both of these together, you just want to mix them up, and you're going to get ready to add in your next ingredient. Alright, so our next ingredient is that light brown sugar. So you're going to want to measure a 1/2 cup of this light brown sugar, add it in, mix it all up together, and get ready to add your 6 cups of powdered sugar. When you add in your powdered sugar, you only want to do 1 cup at a time. That way you can stir up each cup at a time. So just to break it all up, you're going to add in 6 cups of powdered sugar, 1 at a time. I am only showing you guys me adding in 1 cup just to show you guys. Once I got to that 6 cup of adding it in, I showed you right here basically what it will look like when you get to your 6 cups of powdered sugar. Make sure that you stir each cup along with that mix really well to mix up everything that it needs. Alright, so here we are. Of course, my daughter feels the need to be a guinea pig and try it. She gave the thumbs up. It's good. So, next we needed to add in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla to that as well. And then our cupcakes are needing to be put into cupcake liners because it is ready to go into the oven. The oven has clearly beeped. You're going to want to have your oven on 350 degrees. These cupcakes will go into your oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, totally up to you. And they just need a little more to give them like a little bit of height. That way the icing will be good. So as you can see, I did a quick check into the oven. Here they are when they are done, and now they're ready to be iced. So I have a cake little container here where I'm just going to line the cupcakes around the circle of this plate that you can keep cupcakes or cakes in. And I have already iced one. Those cupcake liners turned out really, really cute for fall. I love the design of them, and I love that it came with the sprinkles, and I love that it came with the little pumpkin patch toothpicks that you can put into the cupcake itself. So here's the icing. Turned out really, really good. This whole big container full of icing was enough for me to ice in all of these cupcakes, as well as put some in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag to use for another time, for another cake or more cupcakes in the week coming up. And the package came with these cute little ball and sprinkles. Like I said, for $2, cupcake liners, sprinkles, and the toothpick for the pumpkin patch for fall was really, really cute. So I really want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys can give this video a huge thumbs up. I hope that you guys can leave suggestions of other fall treats that you guys love to try and make during fall or Vlogtober. And here it is. There's our little toothpick that you're just going to simply slide into each cupcake. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.